There was once a person who tried to sneak up on me, and I had no idea that they were trying to, but I guess because I'm a wilderness skills instructor and a tracker, I was a good target. I was walking back to my vehicle to get my lunch, and I suddenly had this funny thing happening with the towhee. The normal scritch, 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 scritch feeding pattern was a little strained. Scritch, 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 tentative. I tuned in, I looked to where the towhee was, I looked at what it seemed to be looking at, and apparently it looked right into the eyes of the person hidden along my path, but I had no idea. I met her a little while later and she says, "How did you know I was there?" I had no idea that she was there. She thought I was kidding. But I literally walked in a circle around that spot because of the towhee, you know. Maybe had that been, you know, something more dangerous, it would have saved my life, but it definitely saved my pride. Bird language works.